We are Johnny and Sylvie, and we like dancing and traveling. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the captivating tale of our exhilarating journey to the enchanting island of Lanzarote.
Lanzarote, here we go!
I'm John, your guide through this incredible escapade, and it's an absolute thrill to have you join us on this spectacular ride. We are a couple from Argentina that live in London, and to escape the cold, we decide to take a trip a month to a warm destination, as long as the pocket allows it.
Hey, we're getting on the plane. We're getting on the plane now. We're going to Lanzarote. We're going to go to a beautiful hotel and have lots of fun and sun.
We depart from London Gatwick Airport. It's a 4-hour flight to the island of Lanzarote, one of the 7 Canary Islands. The check-in process is swift and automated. There is no airline personnel asking for your ticket, seat confirmation, or print boarding pass. The automated check-in machine operates as follows. You place your luggage on the belt, scan the boarding pass from your mobile phone or Apple Watch. It prints a band to secure around the handle of your suitcase. You secure the band with magnetic tips, press OK on the screen, and the suitcase disappears. Impressive, isn't it? After completing the automated check-in, we went for a coffee with a croissant. We boarded the plane from the rear and sat in the second to last row. The flight is beautiful, and I managed to capture some spectacular footage. Apart from the ginger tea that Sylvie is drinking right now, she also took a very nice sandwich. Yes, Sylvie, it looks very tasty. Lanzarote, one of the stunning Canary Islands, has a rich history, fascinating culture, and diverse landscapes. Its history begins with the Guanches, the indigenous people who inhabited the island before the arrival of the Spanish in the 15th century. The Spanish conquistadors left a strong mark on Lanzarote, with notable people like John de Betancourt shaping its destiny. Over the centuries, the island faced challenges such as piracy and volcanic eruptions, the latter defining its unique topography. Lanzarote's climate is characterized by mild winters and warm summers, influenced by the Atlantic Ocean. After landing in Lanzarote, we took a taxi to the Barcelo Active Resort Hotel. This is our second time in Lanzarote. The airport is located on the city of Arrecife, but the hotel is located in Costa Teguise. The new 4-star Barcelo Lanzarote Active Resort Hotel is a spectacular beachfront resort perfectly located in Costa Teguise. With an original concept inspired by the energetic and active spirit of our guests, is the ideal accommodation for sports enthusiasts, as well as families, couples, and friends looking for a balance between wellness, sport, fine cuisine, and leisure. First day in Lanzarote, now we are going to have breakfast. We are going to have a wonderful breakfast now, and then we're going to go to the swimming pool to have some mojitos maybe, and then we are gonna go to Costa Teguise. See you soon! To achieve the desired results in sports, it's crucial to maintain a proper diet. Therefore, the Barcelo Active Resort Hotel elevates the experience with high-quality gastronomic initiatives, such as the breakfast and the active corner. Moreover, the resort offers 2 a la carte restaurants, 2 buffet restaurants, 3 pool bars, 2 lobby bars, a sports bar, and a range of healthy style gastro experiences. With carefully designed facilities to improve health, as a leading establishment in Europe, the Barcelo Lanzarote Active Resort Hotel places a strong emphasis on the volume of exercise and encourages an active lifestyle. The resort offers an Olympic 10-lane swimming pool, a professional cycling center, up to 450 less meals recommended workouts, suitable for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. It is also worth highlighting that the hotel's rooms are designed to complement your fitness journey. For instance, the deluxe sports room comes with its own training area. By the pool, you can enjoy yoga classes and meditation classes that they go every day. By the pool, you also have a bar with ice creams and free flow of Coke Zero. Also, you can relax on one of the lounge chairs by the pool, enjoying the sun. Asian Fusion Koi restaurants savor the new concept of Asian fusion with a delicious menu and taste unique dishes and different flavors at this restaurant. It also has a terrace in the plaza, service at that additional cost. La Dolce Vita restaurant is a traditional Italian food restaurant. Visit an authentic trattoria and taste the most exquisite dishes of traditional Italian cuisine, paying special attention to pasta dishes and homemade pizzas, which are also made in a special oven, service at an additional cost. The opening hours of the restaurants are from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. You have also the Olivina Buffet restaurant. It's a contemporary and international buffet style restaurant with different sitting areas, from large sofas to quiet spaces with tables for couples. It has stations for hot and cold food, as well as show cooking with themed dinners. Drinks are not included in the half-board plan. The Nimbra Buffet restaurant, on the other side, offers the same conditions as Olivina Buffet restaurant. Contemporary and international, the Nimbra Buffet restaurant has bakery areas, show cooking, hot and cold food station, and also a theme point. drinks are not included in the half-board plan. The opening hours are for breakfast from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. For lunch from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and for dinner from 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Bueno, por ahora Lanzarote viene espectacular. Hoy es el primer día y vamos a pasarlo en las reposeras al lado de la pileta. Recién hice unas tomas increíbles, así que siga con nosotros. The Auto Sports Bar has different sitting areas and large TV screen for watching sporting events. It's a service at an additional cost. The opening hours are drinks from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Then you have the Breeze Pool Bar. It's a snack bar style swim-up bar with spectacular sea views. It is a perfect combination of contemporary furniture, natural light, and local plants with different areas to relax and enjoy a cocktail while looking out over the Atlantic Ocean. In this opportunity we have decided to try the gym, and it's amazing. The equipment is new and we had trained so hard that now we deserve the next meal on the buffet. Another wonderful place is the Lounge Lobby Bar. It's a coffee shop, elegant lobby bar with magnificent views of the sea where guests can disconnect and relax. This indoor space is the perfect meeting and entertainment point to enjoy a coffee or a cocktail.
Hello, today we had a wonderful day here in Lanzarote. We went to the swimming pool and we sunbathed there, and the weather was spectacular. We had the best weather, and we had sun, we had heat, and Johnny had a dip in the pool too, and then we went for a walk, and we had amazing food in the restaurant here in Barcelo hotel, and we really enjoyed our day. Then we went back for another walk at the beach, and that was the end of the day, but now we have more to do. We're gonna go.
Honestly, the breakfast is amazing. You have cornflakes, chia, quinoa, ham, cheese, jam, some special cheeses, onion, cucumber, tomato, lettuce, special olive oil, virgin extra, avocado, more cheeses, tuna. You have a wide selection of cheeses and salami, pastrami, prosciutto, a big Nutella there with donuts and wafers, and another Spanish cookies called palmeritas and churros, and eggs, boiled eggs and omelets with ham and cheese, and cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, almond milk, oats milk, another healthy area with chia, I told you, with quinoa, with raisins, amapola seed, and wide range of fruits, pomelo, grapes, sandia, watermelon. Also you have the hash browns with the sausages and the English breakfast with black pudding. Also you have fresh juice with celery, pastry amazing, medialunas, croissants, all kind of cinnamon pastries. You have there the rice cookies for the ones that they're eating healthy, and also fresh pancakes. Well, we just had breakfast. It was amazing, but it's a little dangerous in a buffet, maybe to go overeating. Now we are going to Playa Jablillo and Playa Bastián, and maybe later we're going to Costa Teguise. So see you later.
Hello everyone, I'm here in Lanzarote and we're having a great time. I'm going to tell you my experience about the food here. It's been really nice food, but it's a little bit greasy, so I'm not feeling too well today. I'm going to start a diet. Yes, I know, it sounds strange, a diet on holiday is not something many people do, but I don't feel very well, so I'm going to have to eat lots of fruit and maybe boiled eggs and lots of muesli with peanut butter and lots of lovely seeds that are good for your body. So yeah, well, I'm going to enjoy the sun today. I'm going to go into the swimming pool later and have a dip in the pool, and later we're going to visit Costa Teguise, which is a town very near to here. So well, keep on watching for more updates, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye.
Redbeard, also known as Barbarossa, was a notorious pirate who terrorized the Mediterranean and Atlantic coast during the 16th century. While there are no specific document accounts of Redbeard's exploits in Lanzarote, his reputation as a fierce and merciless pirate was feared among the islanders during that time. Legend has it that Redbeard, along with his fleet of pirate ships, navigated the waters around Lanzarote seeking food and slaves. With the red sails blowing in the wind, they struck fear into the hearts of sailors and coastal communities. Redbeard and his crew would attack villages, taking everything they want. One particularly dramatic tale of Redbeard's attack on a coastal town in Lanzarote. Under the cover of darkness, his ship silently approached the shore, catching inhabitants off guard. The pirates stormed the town, setting buildings on fire and seizing valuable treasures. They left devastation in their wake, leaving a sense of fear that lasted long after they had sailed away into the night. While the specifics of Redbeard's exploits in Lanzarote may be shrouded in myth and legend, his presence looms large in island history, serving as a reminder of the dangers caused by pirates during the age of exploration. I went to explore along the island and I encountered one of the most beautiful beaches that I have been in my life. The sea really is transparent, and that color blue reminds me of a very peaceful life. On the main street of the hotel, you have a wonderful neighborhood of Costa Teguise. All the houses are in front of the sea, and I can picture myself buying one of those houses and having breakfast in front of the sea for the rest of my life. The next day we woke up and we spent the whole morning on the swimming pool. Then we came back to our room and we went for a walk to Costa Teguise center. The promenade that connects the hotel with the center of Costa Teguise is very beautiful. You have very beautiful apartments. Hola, estamos en la playa Bastián y ahora vamos a dar la vuelta hacia Costa Teguise, que es la ciudad más cerca de Playa Bastián. Hola, ¿dónde estamos, Silvi?
We are nearly in Costa Teguise city, and we're going to visit the city now. We're going to go around the beaches as well. There's a lovely beach in front of us. We're going to visit that beach now, and we're going to take pictures, and then we're going to go out for a meal in Costa Teguise.
Amazing. After dancing in front of the sea, we have continued walking and we passed some beautiful flowers that the color was very bright and beautiful. This is Playa Bastián that has very nice sand, a few trees and a beautiful sea. Very clean. Very clean and transparent. After Playa Bastián, we went for a drink to a local bar in front of the beach. The prices are very good and have a lot of Spanish specialties. We only had a Coke Zero. On the way back to the hotel, we spent the time talking about life and watching the sunset. One of the most beautiful sunsets that I have seen in my life. Lanzarote's history has been shaped by volcanic activity. The most notable eruptions occurred in the 18th century, between 1730 and 1736, when a series of volcanic events transformed the island's landscape. The eruption began on September 1st, 1730, with a series of earthquakes and the opening of multiple fissures along the Timanfaya National Park area. Over the subsequent years, numerous volcanoes emerged, covering a large part of the island in lava and ash. The eruptions profoundly impact Lanzarote's agriculture, forcing many residents to abandon their homes and relocate to other parts of the island. The volcanic activity also led to the creation of unique geological formations such as the Malpais de la Corona and the impressive Montañas del Fuego, Mountains of Fire. Y ahora nos vamos a cenar. Sí. Without a doubt, paella was the star of the evening, followed by the fountain of white chocolate that I haven't tried because I don't eat sugar, but it was amazing. The fruits, the melon, the kiwi, the watermelon, the grapes, the pomelo, apples, bananas, pears, very nice pears. Also, free flow was Coke, Zero, Sprite, Fanta, Fuse Tea, free flow of wine, red wine, a vegan paella. It was white wine, chicken nuggets for the kids, fries, some pizzas, homemade pizzas, gelatin, some dishes, some desserts and cakes, and raw fish with pickles and some salads like peppers, onions, tomatoes, asparagus, lettuce, that's clams, amazing fishes, sausages, more fries there with chili, more asparagus, salami, chickpeas, lentils, quinoa, and also salad, variety of olives, black, a variety of cheeses, also Roquefort, Emmental, Brie, and the star, like I told you, it was not the paella, was a free flow of Coke Zero. The last day on Lanzarote was amazing. We spent the most of the time on the pool, on the lunch there in front of the ocean also, and chatting with Sylvie, tanning a little bit, and having Coke Zero a lot. And it was an amazing day. I really enjoyed it. I want to say thank you to the Barcelo Hotel Active Resort because it was amazing. After tanning on the swimming pool there on the hotel, we went to Jablillos Beach, Playa Jablillo, and the sea was pristine clear, and there were a lot of little small fishes. It was a very hot day, and the sea was very cold, but I had a swim in it, and it was amazing, and really I enjoyed that beach. We will be back to the same beach next year for sure. And the sand was very soft. In modern Lanzarote, the island has evolved into a vibrant destination that harmonizes its traditional charm with contemporary elements. Tourism plays a pivotal role in the island's economy, drawing visitors to its unique landscapes, pristine beaches, and cultural attractions. We had an amazing trip here in the Barcelo Hotel Active Resort. It's an amazing place to camp for holidays. You have 4 swimming pools, you have 5 restaurants. It's really the place that I recommend in Lanzarote to spend your holidays.
Yes,
What do you think, Sylvie?
it's been great. I loved it here. We had the best food and the best service, and we're very pleased to be here. And we don't want to leave.
We don't want to leave. It's not our last day here. It's not. Now we are going to eat, but it's an amazing place to spend your holidays. I really recommend the Barcelo Active Resort Hotel in Lanzarote. See you soon. The influence of local artist César Manrique is evident in the architecture and development projects. His vision emphasized sustainable tourism, blending art with nature, and several of his creations, including Jameos del Agua and Mirador del Río, continue to be popular tourist spots. The main urban center, Arrecife, serves as the capital and hub of commercial activity, modern amenities, shopping districts, and a variety of restaurants and cafes cater to both local and tourists. And aloe vera plantations contributing to the economy through skincare and wellness products. Lanzarote's residents actively celebrate their cultural heritage with traditional events, festivals, and music. The island's gastronomy remains deeply rooted in local ingredients, featuring fresh seafood and sauces. While modern life has brought changes, efforts are made to preserve the island's natural beauty and protect the environment. Sustainable tourism practice and conservation initiatives reflects a commitment to maintaining the delicate balance between progress and preserving Lanzarote's unique identity. Farewell, Lanzarote. See you soon. Adiós, Lanzarote. Pronto nos veremos de nuevo. Lanzarote, one of the stunning Canary Islands, has a rich history, fascinating culture, and diverse landscapes. Its story begins with the Guanches, the indigenous people who inhabited the island before the arrival of the Spanish in the 15th century.
Say